Hi, John here from Diode Dynamics. Today we're excited to introduce our brand new ditch light bracket kit for the 2021 Ford Bronco Sport. Let's get started. For this installation, we'll need masking tape, a 13mm wrench, a 13mm socket, and a 5/32 Allen key. Coming over to the driver's side of the vehicle, the first thing we're going to do is pop the hood. From there, we'll take our masking tape and we'll mask off the edge of our hood hinge so we don't lose our factory alignment. As an added step of precaution, we'll tape off the edges of the hood so we don't scratch anything during the installation. Now that we have everything taped up, we can grab our included bracket and make sure the DD logo is in the bottom left corner facing towards the inside of the engine bay. As an added feature, our engineers have included counter bores for better thread engagement with the factory washer and nut. Setting this aside, we can grab our 13mm socket and remove the 2 bolts holding on the hood to the hood hinge. When removing these 2 bolts, it's important to keep a hand behind the hood to avoid it from sliding into the windshield. Now we're going to take our bracket and fish it up underneath the hood in alignment with the hood hinge. Before we tighten our 2 bolts down, we want to make sure everything is flush and in line with original tape marks. With our hood closed, we're going to take our universal bracket and place it on top of our ditch light bracket. We'll drop our bolt through, then feed our washer, lock washer, and nut underneath. We will then take our supplied nuts with the nylon lock ring facing the inside and drop them on either side of the SS3. Now we will take our SS3 and put it onto the bracket, making sure the nuts don't fall out. Then take your supplied hardware and slide it through the side of the bracket into the SS3 and fasten it only hand tight to save room for adjustment later. With our SS3 installed, we can now route our wiring. For this step, you'll need a 12-volt power supply, a ground, and a place to mount your switch. We recommend running your switch through the firewall into the cab to a location of your choice. To obtain power to the SS3 on the driver's side of the vehicle, we'll take our included DT connector, run it underneath the weather stripping into the back of the SS3. On the passenger side, we're going to route our DT connector across and under this plastic cowl and up to the back of the SS3. Before we plug in our DT connector to the back of our SS3, you'll notice on our ditch light bracket that we have zip tie mounting locations. This is so you can route the excess wiring and secure it in a nice fashion if you choose to do so. Next, we're going to plug our DT connector into the back of our SS3 to make our final aiming adjustments. First, we'll test the left and right and tighten our 13mm nut on the bottom, and then we can test our up and down and tighten our 2 5/32 Allen bolts on either side. The last step on this side of the vehicle is to remove the masking tape. Coming over to the passenger side of the vehicle, the only additional step will be to remove the windshield wiper fluid line. Once you have that removed, you can repeat the same steps that you performed on the driver's side to complete the installation. Then you'll just snap in your windshield wiper fluid line and you're set. As you can see with our ditch light kit installed with our SS3s, you now have a clean, low-profile off-road look, but also an added increase in light output. This kit's available with our SS3s or our SSC2s. If you're looking for a ditch light kit for your vehicle or any of our other products, visit our website at diodedynamics.com or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.